Hello, this is Mark Passer with United Services Design and Build. I'm on 85th and Hamilton. We're starting a new siding job. Basically, this is the new siding right here. We're doing a vinyl siding. We've torn down all the old siding, and on top of this underneath the old siding is insulation, which we haven't taken off yet. The old siding's right over here. If you turn around, this is the old siding and gutters that we'll be hauling away. But in the meantime, when we're ready to get the house started, we cover it with an insulation. These are foam sheets of insulation. We do everything on the house. We're gonna do the soffits and fascia, and I'll show you what the soffits and fascia are. So some people don't know all the parts and pieces that go into siding. So when we're doing this house, we're going to be putting the new siding on the walls, insulating it, putting new siding on the walls. We're going to be doing aluminum soffits underneath. The soffits are the underneath part of the house, and the fascia is where the gutters hang. So we're going to put new fascia, and it's going to be custom bent aluminum, and then after that's all done, it's going to be a 6-inch gutter. Our guys are going to be starting later this afternoon. We're just starting to prep the house to get prepared to do this. As the crew comes, we'll show you how the brake works and how we trim out all the windows. So we took off the storm windows here, and we're going to trim out all the different windows with an aluminum cladding, put the storm windows back on, and maybe someday she'll get some new windows. But for right now, we're just doing the basics on the house. We're also taking all the posts down and pillars here, and we're going to try to give it a new look, a little bit more modern for a house that's maybe been in the 1960s was built. If you have any questions, you can call me, Mark Passer, at 402-714-1512, and I'd be happy to answer any questions for your house or any ideas in design at no charge. Thank you.